Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up Behance portfolio. So first we're going to go to our browser, then we're going to search for behance.com. As you can see, we're logged in, so we're going to click on a profile icon, then click on Adobe Portfolio. So this is the way we're going to build our portfolio. As you can see, it's going to guide you to the different websites. You guys could explore different templates to make your portfolio. Then you can sign in, as you can see. Then once you're signed in, you guys could explore different examples on how to make your portfolio, different templates. So if you guys also need inspiration, it presents you with examples as well as resources. So this is how you could create your portfolio. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I have to you again. Goodbye.